Oh shoot! I'm doing my UHC thing.
The what thing?
The thing I always do in UHC.
Uh,
Starve to death.
no!
I am so bad.
Ha! Oh no. I see water down here. I should have known from all this gravel. So I've gathered a fair amount of flint. And,
I got your cold. Oh gosh. I just about ran off into the abyss.
oof.
Did I give you an iron sword?
No.
Shoot. I made one a while back and was gonna give it to you, but I guess I forgot to give it to you.
Oh, I guess I just probably missed it. Oh man, I hear baby zombies.
Here's one.
Thank you.
Also, here's your coal back.
Thank you.
Baby zombie, baby zombie, baby zombie.
Oh gosh, I've been hearing him.
Found him!
I have 40 arrows, and I have way more feathers left too.
Zombies, you are not welcome here. Especially when you drop down from heaven like that.
Oof.
Oh, spider spawner!
Another one?
Another one.
Holy crap. Well, I'm just gonna deck myself out in full armor right now.
Spider spawners are easy because you can always block them with a one wide pathway. Because they can't come in a one wide way.
Right, you're right.
Alright. Oh, a bucket and some iron. That's nice.
That's good.
And another name tag.
Huh.
Oh, 2 more name tags.
I see some iron back here.
Oh, I can't tell what level I'm at.
Oh yeah.
Did you make a cobble bridge across the ravine?
I did. And
Okay.
there's a skeleton here somewhere. It shot me twice.
Well, I was just worried because if that wasn't you, then somebody else is here.
Oh yeah. No, that's problematic.
Stupid zombies.
Huh. Okay, I'm just doing this so I get some health back. We don't actually need more of these. There we go.
Zombies.
From up there?
Did you hear that?
I heard some of them falling.
I heard 2 of them fall like they were right on top of us.
Watch out, there's a skeleton that got me twice.
Oh, that's a skeleton.
Yeah.
Crap.
I don't know where it is at all. It's coming from the left. I mean, that where you're facing, yeah.
There's a zombie behind you.
Fuck. Holy crap, 2 zombies. Oh.
That was me. No damage.
That's good. 3 zombies? 4 zombies? Why are there so many zombies?
Because if you hit them, they multiply.
It's kind of cool because I put a wall that they can't go through. But we've kind of left that there.
Come on, Ravine. Be more interesting than this.
You know, I haven't really noticed the episode markers, have you?
I have.
Okay, good. Wow, I've really been getting caught up in this.
They're there.
I hear a baby zombie, that's not good.
I think they found my dogs.
That's not good.
That means we need to get back to where the furnaces are.
Microphone muted.
Okay.
아빠도 금방 올 것 같은데.
Okay.
예?
Okay.
Microphone activated.
Yeah, this ravine doesn't have very much. Should we just kind of try to dig down?
What?
Are you digging down or found another way?
No, I'm trying to find my way back to the...
The spider spawner?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see you anywhere.
Oh, I have to go up.
Yeah, and I kind of...
누나가 어카운턴트 막 봤는데 이거 어카운턴트 받는 사람이야. 그래서 프레시 프로듀스 한 박스씩 나가가지고.
Well, I'm closer
What?
to... I'm closer to the bottom here,
Okay.
but I don't really see much. Let me light some more of it up. There's a zombie. I need to make a new pick. I hear a baby zombie. That's scary. Stuff. Where's stuff in there? I see iron. No, nothing. No. That baby, hearing that baby zombie is scaring the crap out of me.
I've got a helmet for you.
Oh, great. Oh, got damage from gravel. That. I see emeralds, but what do we need emeralds for? see you on the other side. I don't know.
Made it to the floor.
Cool. No, I made cobblestone slabs.
Whoops. Oh, crap. Crap.
What's wrong?
I just found 2 witches and a bunch of zombies.
I'm
Like,
building-
right down here.
I'm gonna try to jump up this way. I'm gonna just throw some gravel down. I see the 2 zombies. I can get them with the bow. I think we have plenty of arrows here.
The witches will take healing potions.
Yeah. We should just leave the witches, so they're in the same direction as the zombies.
They're down there with... Oh, they saw me.
Run. Oh no. They didn't hit you though, right?
They got me with slowness.
Oh.
Okay, I think
Just
we're
block
safe
up.
now.
Okay.
There's really nothing down here that we can get to.
No, not really. Gold!
Yeah, but right down there is where the witches were.
Oh, really? Dang it.
Yeah.
Maybe I can just change the water flow.
Don't go down in there. Trust me.
Okay. Just if I can place blocks to isolate that gold.